Well, I'm here at the ramp at Eagle's Nest. Just launched. Moving out into the canal. Then I'm going to go down to Bird Island. Still got that south wind. It's supposed to have been southwest. Probably ought to fish out. Who knows? I will. I'll try the fluke a few times. Out of the canal into the lake. Pitch a few here. I see Bird Island right over there. Not too far to paddle. What a nice day. Into the wind, that'll be easier. This is not going to be any good. I think I'll just mosey back across. Mosey if I can. This makes me feel like I'm on the beach down at Cape Hatteras. All this wind. It can be pretty windy down there too. About halfway back to Eagle's Nest. Think of it this way, think of it as a day at the gym, or an hour at the gym anyway, on the treadmill. Or on the stationary bike. Still you can't hear Eagle's Nest. Still about a half mile, I guess. Yeah. But there's a little point right down there. Kind of keeps this southwest wind off of it. It's not too bad here. I don't know whether there are any fish here, but it doesn't matter too much. I'll throw the crankbait around a while and Damn, there's a fish. Crappie, I'll be damned. Nice crappie too. There's a big old crappie there. Shit, I'll cook those all day. Heck yeah. Let me throw out an anchor. I'll take that home, for sure. In fact, I'm just going to put it right in the cooler. All right. Thank you, Crappie. See if I can catch another one. I wish the people back in Eagle's Nest could hear this one. Blue moon over Kentucky. Most of them are from Kentucky. Better than sitting on the front porch in a rocking chair. See if I can catch another crappie. I'd like to have 2 for supper. I threw my black and chrome one knocker off. It was hung up on something on the tip. So now I got the red eye shad on. See if I can get a crappie to bite that. It seems like if you catch a crappie on one of these crankbaits, it's a bigger one. But I also got rigged up. I'll show you in a minute as soon as I get this, catch this crappie. Now, okay. Got a beetle span. And I've still got the bullet sinker on there that I had when I was fishing with the fluke. Yeah, fluke. But here's the old-fashioned beetle spin. It'll catch bass and crappie. And so far, I've thrown it about 4 times. It hasn't caught anything. Maybe this cast, huh? Maybe the next cast. Or the next beer. Not bad. Fishing with a spinnerbait in close to the shoreline, fishing some dollar pads and up against the cattails. Wind is coming around from southwest to northwest. This day is a lot like the last one. Only difference is I caught one fish, a crappie, nice big crappie, crappie, speck, whatever, which I'm going to eat tonight. Can't complain too much. You're able to get out, enjoy this kind of scenery. Pretty nice. Move on a little bit. I fished that swim jig that I'm looking at there around cattails, dollar pads, eel grass, shoreline. As far as I'm concerned, there aren't any bass here. If they are, they sure don't want to bite a swim bait. What do you call this thing? Spinner bait. Yeah, spinner bait. Alright.